Before I get started, I want to tell you guys to be sure to make your way over to my Instagram. I'm going to be using a lot of these products that I received in this PR package. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm going to put the direct link down in the description box, so make sure that you do check that out, and let's get started. Hello boys and girls. So I have a special announcement. This channel will no longer be a beauty channel. We're gonna make this a fitness channel. I was totally kidding you guys. It's not gonna be a fitness channel because I don't work out myself. You guys already know that it's gonna be a Wet n Wild unboxing by the title. This package that I received was a workout theme. They sent over this bag here and it has a lot of beauty products, which I still haven't seen exactly what's in there. I did look at the pamphlet that came inside of the box, and I'm not sure if this is a collaboration or if Casey Ho is just the face of this collection. So Casey Ho, this is like my first time hearing about her. But she's into fitness, and according to this here, all of this makeup is sweat proof. So it's wearable for you to use at like the gym or whenever you're going to the beach. I don't know. On here it does say that it is available exclusive on wetnwildbeauty.com and at CVS. It's select CVS stores beginning January 2019, so this is already out. I want to jump into what's inside of the bag, but before I do so, if you are new here to my channel, hello, welcome to my channel, and also if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below, and also turn on post notifications so that you're always notified every time I do have a new video here on my channel. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, so first off, I did receive this little towel, and I'm just loving the color of this collection, and I also got a cool water bottle, so I'm just like happy with the packaging. Okay, so the first item that we have in this box here is the Makeup Blocker 3-in-1 BB Cream Highlighter and Corrector. This retails for $8.99 and there are 6 shades. This is the shade that I think is going to be the closest to my skin tone. I do have to say this is pretty neat though, because the applicator is kind of like the Photo Focus foundation. This doesn't smell like the Photo Focus foundation. I take it as the corrector would be more of a concealer, and then this is the highlighter. This is the one that I said was my shade, and I'm going to put it next to the darkest shade, which is this one right here. I'm also going to show you guys the lightest shade. I'm really excited to try this because I love my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I love the finish, how mattifying and how long lasting that foundation is, and on top of that it's super affordable. I was actually thinking about doing a full face using all of Wet n Wild's makeup, and then I got this in the mail, so that makes me even more excited to do that. So hopefully in my next video that is something that you guys want to see. We also have these blotting papers. These are called the On Your Matte Oil Absorbing Blotting Papers, and these retail for $4.99. They're just like little tissues like this, and whenever you are like oily, you just go ahead and tap on and it removes any oil from your face. But honestly, if you're like at the gym, just get some toilet seat covers and it does the same thing. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried that. Whenever you're not near a restroom though, it is nice to have some of these so that you can always touch up, especially if you're going out on a date. Just to give you that mattifying look, especially if you have like really oily skin. It's like a must-have, and they're just super easy to just slip into your purse. Alright guys, so it's gonna take forever if I take them out. So here we have this Partner Up blush stick. We have another blush stick. I guess they're just different colors. Okay, so all 4 of these here are blush sticks. Then we move over this way, we have lip balms, and we have 4 lip balms here. Moving over this way, we have a cooling moisturizer stick, a mattifying stick, a toner stick, a primer stick, and a blemish stick. It took me a while to understand what this was. I was like wondering, there's nothing in there. It's empty. But what it's really for, it's for these little sticks that you just connect here. So whatever you have like your most issue with, you just put them in here. So for instance, if I were to be at the gym, which I've already explained to you guys that that's not me. After washing your face, I mean for me, my face gets really dry, so I put my cooling moisturizer stick on one end. So you pull it off and then you can just go ahead and moisturize your skin whenever you want. And then on the other end, I have my primer stick, so if I have my foundation with me, I can just put my primer right after the moisturizer, and I'm good to go. Shoot, I almost forgot to tell you guys about the pricing on this. For the connector here, this is $1.99. And then you have your little sticks, which are $3.99 each. Next, we have these Keep Going waterproof and sweatproof eyeshadows, and these are $4.99 each. There are 6 shades of these. This one here is called Mud Run. This one is called Running Naked, Protein Shake, Mauve Girl. And then here we have Favorite Leggings. And then the black one is called Endorphin High. I'm kind of curious to see if I'm able to create a full eyeshadow look using these, so we'll have to see. This here is called Hit the Showers Face and Body Cleansing Wipes, and they're just wipes that you use on your body in case you miss a shower. The next item is this Full Circuit No Limit palette, and this retails for $8.99. This is a full face palette. I think these would be your correctors here, or lip colors. I don't know, but I think I would use this green one as a corrector and maybe like an under eye corrector. A lip product? I don't know, what do you guys think these are for? So this is the first palette, and then the next one. So again, this one here would be like correctors, I think, and like lip colors. Here you have some eyeshadows, a blush. This blush here does have a little bit of sparkle reflex to it. The other one is like a matte one. This highlighter is a lot brighter as well. Alright, so now we're going to go into skincare. This is actually pretty interesting. This is the Exfoliating Facial Cleansing Balls. And you can see the little balls in here. It almost looks like those little tiny Easter eggs that are like chocolate. So let's see in the back. It says that you activate it with water and you use 1 ball per use. You rub your hands together to create a lather, and then you cleanse your face with it. And to get these balls on your face, it is $7.99. So this one here is called the Detox It Purifying Glitter Mask. This does retail for $8.99, and this is a peel-off mask. It helps clear and brighten your skin. And then we have the Tone Up Brightening Glitter Mask, and this is for $8.99 as well. This is a peel-off mask that helps moisturize and brightens for the ultimate complexion perfection. You know, I've been seeing a lot of people use these type of masks. I think that they're the Glam Glow, but I mean, these look really pretty and they're more affordable. This is the Expert Level Cleansing Oil. This retails for $8.99. This is a 3-phase cleansing oil that dissolves makeup and impurities. So we went over the makeup, we went over skincare, now let's move into hair stuff. You guys know that I like playing with hair. You guys probably seen some of my videos on Instagram where I do hair. I'm pretty happy that Wet n Wild sent me over something for hair as well. This is called It's My Cheat Day. This is a refreshing hair mist. This retails for $8.99. This is a long-lasting, subtle, fragrant mist that instantly refreshes your hair. Next item is the Do the Spritz Cooling Face and Body Mist. This is also $8.99. It's a portable cooling and hydrating mist to instantly revitalize and soothe your skin. Since I did mention dry shampoo, they also sent me this dry shampoo here. This is called the Final Stretch. This retails for $8.99. This is an oil and odor absorbing solution for clean, volumized, and texturized hair with no white residue. So that was all the items that were in this bag here, and this bag is just adorable. It's like perfect. So I think that this is definitely gonna come in handy for whenever I am traveling and just to pack up all of my makeup and all of my hair stuff. So I did have some of you guys message me on my Instagram, and also you guys left me comments in some of my previous videos asking why I wasn't posting for the past few days, because I did build this momentum where I was posting on a daily basis on my Instagram, and I was at least posting 3 to 4 videos here on my YouTube channel, in which that is my goal for every single month, not just the month of January. But editing one of these YouTube videos, I can spend from 4 to 7 hours editing just one video. And then on top of that, I have to edit a small little mini tutorial for Instagram, and that takes me about an hour to an hour and a half. As most of you guys know, I am a mother of 2, so I do have to make a lot of stops in between that time. Of course, I have to cook, I have to clean, I have to pick up my daughter from school. I just have a lot of errands to run during those times. So doing that every single day for 1 month, I was working so much and definitely not complaining about that. So the way I work is I put my kids to sleep at 8 o'clock every single night, and then I sit down and I film. and then my boyfriend gets home at 8, so we really don't get to interact that much. So I just felt like we kind of had to make that time for ourselves, and I took a few days off. But yeah, that's like the reason why I took that time off. But not to worry, because I'm gonna be just as consistent this month and expect that for the rest of the months of this year. But if I ever do fall off the scale, I'll be right back like a boomerang. I went a little off topic explaining that, but I promised you guys that I would tell you guys what is going on with me, and I just want to let you guys know that I am okay. I am doing good. Is my anxiety okay? No. But you guys checking in with me means so much to me, because I know that you guys are aware that I'm a big mental health advocate. I've dealt with depression more than half of my life, and I also have anxiety, which I still deal with every single day. But that's just a part of life, and you guys being concerned or just wanting more content motivates me to be here today. So I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here, like I already said. So like I mentioned before, if you haven't subscribed, I do invite you to subscribe down below. And also, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that I do more unboxing videos such as these. And if you have a little bit of time, be sure to catch up with my latest videos, which are going to be right over here. The little circle with my picture in it subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!